Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating or selecting a Google Cloud project so credentials map to one place. Once done, open APIs and services and set up the OAuth consent screen. Choose internal versus external depending on your audience. Make sure to enter the app name, user support email, and at least the basic profile and email scopes. This step explains why Google shows this information to users, and correct consent settings avoid verification delays later, so complete fields accurately and save before moving on. Next, you create the OAuth client ID that your app will use to authenticate. Once you choose Create Credentials, select the application type, web application for server apps, Android or iOS for mobile. Choose correctly because redirects differ. For web, add each authorized redirect URI exactly as used in your app, otherwise tokens will be rejected. After creation, download the JSON. It contains client ID and client secret. Keep this file safe, because the client secret is effectively a password for your application. Finally, you extract the client ID and client secret from the downloaded JSON and store them securely, environment variables, secret manager, or vault. Then implement and run an OAuth flow in your app. Initiate authorization, confirm the redirect, and exchange the code for tokens to verify everything works. Once verified, consider publishing the consent screen if needed. If something fails, check redirect URIs for exact matches. Ensure the OAuth consent screen is saved, and confirm the required APIs are enabled. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.